Welcome back to FOMCS educational videos. Today we will continue introducing more features. Educational video, documents for charters and sales. From the miscellaneous menu, click on Documents. Documents for charters and sales. Let us click on Charters. Create a new charter document. You can also create a new charter document from here. Built-in Charters Documents Templates. You can duplicate built-in Charters documents and modify them as you see fit. Let's use one. Click on Clone. Duplicated Boarding Pass Template. Click on Edit to review and modify information. Define the title you want for the specific charter document for future use. Determine the charter type for crew charters or bareboat charters by selecting them. Or select any for both. Use Editor to modify the text as you see fit. You can edit the text with these functions. Shortcodes. With using shortcodes, you can call data from charter options and bookings and modify the template for your requirements. Let us add an information here regarding client. Select the appropriate shortcode from the list. Let us also add information regarding the boat. You can also change the template with your own text. You can preview the document from here. Click on Edit to apply the changes. Let us create a new document from ground up. Click on Create. Like before, define the title and type of charter. For the context of the document, you can upload an existing one. Browse and select the file. Or use Editor to write one from the ground up. Compose your own document using editor functions. You can copy and paste the context from existing documents and modify the text as you see fit. The text you copy from should be a web-safe font, so we suggest using HTML fonts families. With using shortcodes, you can add data from charter options or bookings to your text. Click on Add to create the document. You can delete the selected document from here. Review and edit the selected document. View the document. Use search function to reach specified information. Use filters to narrow down your search. You can print, copy, or get export of the current list in PDF or Excel format from here. As for Next, click on Sales. Create a new sales document. You can also create a new one from here. Click on Sales Documents Templates. Like in the Charter section, you can duplicate the templates and modify them as you see fit. Let us use one. Duplicate a template. Let us click on Edit. Define the title you want for specific sales document for future use. Use Editor and its functions to modify the template as you see fit. Shortcodes. Please note that sales document shortcodes has different content from charters documents. With using shortcodes, you can add data from yacht sales and modify the template as you see fit. You can also change the template with your own text. Preview the document from here. Click on Edit to apply the changes you have made. Let us create a new one. Define the title you want for the specific sales document for future use. You can upload an existing document from here, or use Editor and its functions to write one from ground up. You can copy and paste the context from existing documents and modify the text as you see fit. The text you copy from should be a web-safe font, so we suggest using HTML fonts families. With using shortcodes, you can add data from yacht sales to your text. Click on Add to create the document. Review and edit the selected document. Delete the document. Use search function to reach specified information. Search the document by name. You can print, copy, or get export of the current list in PDF or Excel format from here. View the document. And this covers our educational video for documents for charters and sales. We hope that our solutions, which we support with new developments, updates, and improvements, will add even more value to your business. And we would like to remind you that you can contact us for all your questions by email to support@FOMCS.com. We hope to see you in the next video.